Today we talk about how can you pick it for you on your Trace app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on from threads. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to pick it for you. Click here on. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's me pick it for you. Enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.